I just thought I'd make another dumb video because what else to do? It's warm out, and so anyway, I got a nice big block of aluminum. See? Ugh. Anybody have a big block of aluminum? I have a big block of aluminum. Where did I get these? I bought them a couple of years ago. Why? For no other reason other than to have a giant block of aluminum. I have one here, I have one over there, and I think there's another one around here somewhere sitting on the floor. I have 3 of them. I would buy a big block of steel this big, but I can't even lift those ones up. So aluminum's much better. So if you get bored and see one of these at a local store one day, pick them up. They're fun to have. This one is 11 and a quarter by 4.5 by 5 inches. Somebody out there can calculate how heavy this is. The other one I think is bigger, but I wanted to buy one. The guy, I don't know if he had it. It was like this big. It was got to be 6 inches thick and about this wide. I was like, yeah, I want to buy a big, like maybe about a 3-inch thick aluminum, nice big round, like shave it all off and put post and take some of the big aluminum round bar and make a giant aluminum, what do you call it, chair, just for shits and giggles, of course. So anyway, nothing new. I just wanted to share the aluminum block. I have some weird things in here, like back there. So toodles, have a good night. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and all that other stuff. Thank you.